baby, it's Jenna G, that's me, the JGM TNT. Welcome back to my channel yet again for some more kitchen fun. In today's video, we're going to be doing a creamy chicken and broccoli. It's a very simple meal idea for dinner. Just got home from work, hectic day, tired, not sure what to make. This is a very simple dish that takes just about 30 minutes to put together. Alright, so our creamy chicken and broccoli, the ingredients pretty straightforward. I have some chicken breast, some cream of mushroom soup, that's the canned cream of mushroom soup, some grated garlic, some chopped parsley, broccoli, and of course my butter. So for my chicken, I'm just going to be seasoning it with some garlic powder, some cayenne pepper, and some all-purpose seasoning. So I've got my pan heating and I'm going to be adding the butter to it. Once this is melted, we're going to add our chicken. To this, I'm adding my chicken. And we're also going to be adding our broccoli to this. So once this is finished cooking, we're going to set it aside and we're going to be doing our creamy sauce. So now that our chicken and broccoli are finished, we're going to continue with our sauce. We're using the same pan, we're just adding some butter. I'm adding in my grated garlic. I'm going to let this cook properly. Don't let it burn. And I'm adding some water. I'm going to whisk it together. It's now on medium heat. We just want to whisk it all together so it's nice and smooth. And once it starts to bubble, we're going to add back our broccoli and our chicken. And that's how simple a creamy chicken and broccoli dish is to put together. Now all we're going to be doing is just garnishing with some freshly chopped parsley. Alright guys, and that's all I have for you today. It's a very short video. It's a very quick meal idea, perfect for dinner after a hectic day of work. Now you can put it together, you can enjoy it with pasta or rice. Of course, you know I'm going to go with the rice, but it's also pretty good with the pasta as well. This is what it looks like. Nice creamy chicken and broccoli with some jasmine rice. So thank you so much as always for watching, and be sure to try out the recipe. Let me know what you think. Be sure to like the video, give it a big thumbs up if you did like it, and be sure to share with all your friends and your family. Look out for more videos to come. Thanks again for watching.